Hi everyone. So I stopped at home today and I picked up my Color Street box kit and my fall line bundle. And so now I'm parked up in Morris, Manitoba. It's pouring rain outside and I'm going to open up my Color Street kit. So let's see how this goes. Okay, let me switch it around here so I can show you the box it comes. So there it is. It says Color Street, be brilliant, be colorful, be Color Street. And it says Color Street on the side. So, and it says Bonjour Canada. Okay, switch it back around. There we go. Now I'm going to open this up with my handy dandy knife. There's a little sticky tape things on the bottom here. All right. Let's lift the lid. And I'm going to move you so we can open this up. And set the camera here. By the way, I'm using my phone, so bear with me. That's not going to work. Let's put you here. All right. Let's do it this way. Let's see if that works. There we go. Okay, so there's a thank you for joining Color Street family. And it has the list of everything that's in here. There's a chart with how to apply Color Street. That's really cool. So I'll look at those in a bit. And then there's all these pretty things. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's the Canadian one. Woohoo! And twosies. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. Which twosie is that one? So that's Tokyo Lights. That's Tokyo Lights. Look at how sparkly that is. Oh, I love it. I love that one. I don't have Tokyo Lights yet. This one I know is Paint the Town. Is it Paint the Town? It is Paint the Town. See how good I am at this so far? Haha. Look at that. That's pretty too. That's a sparkly one. I like the glitters. I like the glitters. So there's sparkly ones. Oh, there's lots. I'm going to be sharing Paint the Town for a while, I think. And lots of Tokyo Lights. Oops, sorry. There we go. Let's put that back in there. That is very cool. And then there's Color Street nail files. Those are neat. They're in little cases. Let's see. We'll open the case up. Let's see. How do you open the case up? I don't have my glasses on. I can't see with them and I can't see without them. Oh, those are nice. Nice thick Color Street nail files. There's a couple there. There's two of them. Oh, there's a stack. So there's some buffing cubes. Two of them. And what else is in this box? I'm going to lift this piece up just to see if there's anything underneath. Oh my goodness, there's stuff underneath. I'll get to the nail strips in a minute. There is a bag. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'll switch you around again. there's, I think this is a carry bag. It's definitely a carry bag. We'll open that up in a bit. Put that aside. And there's little bitty nail files. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Look how tiny they are. They're like not even the size of my thumb. And cuticle sticks. And then there's nail polish remover pads. And prep pads, just like you get in the package when you buy them. And some fall and winter catalogs. And opportunity catalogs. And a book. The Road to Success book. It's like a calendar. It's got the welcome in it again. And then all the different things, the information just like that's on the website. Oh, Sulu. Hello, Bubby. What you doing? I'll put this away here. And put the box back up. Let's see what let's see which nails we get. Oh my goodness, there's some nice ones. Nope, not for puppies. Not for puppies. No, not for puppies. Let's put the box back together. So, there's a French manicure. And the Canadian one. This is why I joined Color Street, was for the Canadian one. Look how pretty that is. Oh man. I'm going to be saving that one for a while, I think. Yes. And this is Soul Sister, a pedicure. I'm not sure, but I think that might be a retired one. Strobe lights, that's in the fall line. Beijing Beauty. Gratitude is everything. I actually wanted to buy this one, so I'm glad I got it in the kit. Oh, more Tokyo lights. Good thing I didn't buy that one, because now I have lots and I'll be able to share some with people. It's really pretty. Crantastic. That'll go nice with the Canadian leaf ones. So it's very shiny. I don't know if you can see how sparkly that is. Where's the camera part? It's kind of sparkly. Glitter Days Ahead. This was the one I suggested to somebody. Can't remember who. Oh, wow. Wow. Lacy Business. That's in the fall line too. And Good Impressions. Another fall line one. Paint the Town. And Strobe Lights. I don't know if you can see that one very well. Might have to open it up so you can see it better. It's kind of a marbly one. Oh no, sorry, this is Stone's Throw. Stone's Throw, sorry. My bad. And then the ones I got in the fall line package. Oh, wait a minute. I got a long time no see. Now, this is one of the ones that I promised somebody. But I have one of my own too, so I have two. Okay, this one is in the fall, from the fall line bundle. It's in Another Galaxy. I love this one. It is very pretty, very sparkly. Hard to see in the package, of course. And then there's Lacy Business. That was, I already showed you that one. I have two of those. And this one is Coming in Hot. It's kind of a corally color, but it's sparkly. And then another flower one, so I have two of those. I have another one of those. This one is Stone's Throw, that's the marbly one. Sulu. Here's Strobe Lights. That's a blue one. And then She's a Trooper. It's kind of a greenish color. So if those people that like green, that's a nice one. Teal We Meet Again. Very sparkly. I think my daughter will love this one because she loves teal. Lavish Lavender. This is the one I suggested to Louise. That's got that sparkly purplish color. And then this is the one everyone's been talking about, and I'm not too sure about it. I'm hoping it'll grow on me. It is the Breaking Plaid. I do like the yellow part in it. I'm not sure about the plaid, but I will definitely try it just to see what it's like. Curious to see how it'll look. So that's my kit. I'm very excited about Color Street. Never been excited about stuff like this. Makeup is not my thing. I don't do makeup. I do my fingernails. I started to do my fingernails when I was flatbedding, or while flatbedding, because there's nothing worse than going into the customer and having dirty fingernails. So I cover them with paint, and Color Street is amazing because I don't have to carry bottles of paint. I don't have to go to a salon. I love it. Anyways, it is late. I've had a long day. Sulu's already in bed. He's decided he's going to sleep with me tonight. So, I'll say goodnight, queens. Sleep well, and we'll see you in the morning.